Hey everyone, Ryan here, Von Scheller Family Experience, and I've got the new Starlink RV edition. So ordered this, it took less than a week to get because I know the home versions are like a year out to get those. And if you've been watching our channel, then you know that we do a lot of RVing, a lot of traveling. We'll also be able to use this up at our cabin that's fully off grid. So we're excited to get this, so let's get this box open and check it out. Kind of nice, this is all sealed right here, so guessing this is water resistant. Well, it's all pretty simple, not much to it. I'll take it outside. I already downloaded the app for it, and we'll get it plugged in and run some speeds on it, some speed tests on it. Alright, so we'll get the Starlink. Have a location, next, power, and plug your Starlink in, did that. Join network, found the Starlink. Okay, it took me a few tries to get the Starlink connection on my phone. Just had to go to the Wi-Fi settings and select Starlink, and then went through a couple steps to name my network and set a passcode. So now I've got the laptop connected to it, and let's run a speed test. I've got my laptop here. I'm gonna run a speed test just off of our Comcast, see what we're getting here off of Wi-Fi, and then we'll start up the Starlink and see what we get there. Okay, we just got done doing a speed test. So if you can see that, we're 26.92 on download, 4.81 on the upload. So now we're just waiting for it to boot up. It says it's booting, your Starlink is booting up. This may take a few minutes, so we're gonna let it do its thing. Well, I finally got it to boot up. It took probably about 15-20 minutes to boot up and get operational. So now let's go ahead and run a speed test and see what we get. Overall, setup was very easy. The app is very simple. It walks you through all the steps. Like I said before, it took me about 5 or 6 tries to connect to the Starlink network, and once it did connect, I just had to rename the network, put in a password, and go from there. So right now, let me make sure. So I'm located in Northern California, up in the foothills, Sonora. We're kind of by Yosemite, and right now this is not looking good. We got, I'll show you. Not real good speeds for our first go on the Starlink, so maybe there's something I gotta configure, and maybe it's the location of it, but that's horrible. So I'm doing a speed test with the app, the Starlink app, and it's showing a lot better. It's showing like 38. That's still not that great. I should be up around 100 from what some of my friends have got. And all I did is I've got it set up just right here in my front yard. So with where it's pointing, it's got pretty clear. I mean, I've got like a small tree right there and a power line, but you know, it's not like I've got a ton of trees. I can maybe scoot it over. All right, I moved it over kind of a little more in the middle of our driveway. After I moved the Starlink dish, now we're getting a little bit better. We're getting 51 download, but our upload is only 1.8, so slow upload and an okay download. Like I said before, I should be up around 100 is what I've seen people getting. So definitely the location of it does matter. We're going to be really interested to see how this thing works out on the road at different locations. I know we're going to a race here next week, so we'll be able to test it out then. So thanks for watching, and we'll keep you updated. We'll do a review on it after a few months of use. But if you want to catch those reviews, make sure you subscribe to our channel and click that little bell so you're notified when we do a 1 month, or probably wait a couple months, do a couple month review after we've used it at half a dozen or more locations. Thanks for watching.